Right, this is going to be lesson 4, video 3, reviewing the source code that was necessary to implement the changes that were added. So we can see on the home page, we went ahead and added a drawer that had 2 raised buttons. One was the new page button, pretty much that goes to the computer page. The other one was the About button that navigates you to the About page. So we'll go to the About page first. Very basic, it's a stateless page, doesn't need to change any states at all, so pretty much it's displaying one body of text, an image, and another body of text right there, so nothing too crazy. Then we have the new page that we added. So this new page navigates to the page that we're seeing right here. If we I'll restart that, but in any event, it will show us the see the computers at the top of the app bar, and we'll go ahead and go here, but it just displays all of this. We had to create some new information in our model. So inside our model, not only do we have the book that you see there, we also have the computer class, along with all this information here to create kind of like a fake database for the computers. Now we also with that needed to have when you go to each computer, you have the parts page, which kind of gives you an in-depth detail description of how that computer was built. So it'll have all the different, it'll have our image that we import, it'll have memory, PC case, PC processor, motherboard, power supply unit, so on and so forth. With both the parts page as well as the new page, they both required controllers. So the new page controller, pretty simple in terms of how that's set up. And then same thing with the parts page, nothing much to it. We had to have had to add more validation functions and save functions, but pretty standard stuff there. So that will conclude the review of the source code for lesson 4.